Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for competitive programming, only way. Start by committing to a consistent schedule and a growth mindset, then focus on fundamentals first. Build a routine that mixes practice, theory, and timed contests. Emphasize problem quality over quantity, and log mistakes to revisit later. Small, focused sessions beat sporadic marathons because repetition builds recall and speed. Keep it simple and measurable, so progress feels real and steady. Create a practice plan that balances strength and weakness with clear ratios and checkpoints. Alternate focus study days, algorithm review, targeted problem sets, and a timed contest. After each session, write a 2 to 3 line summary of what you learned and where you faltered. Schedule spaced repetition for tricky problems and revisit them at fixed intervals. This approach builds pattern recognition and reduces panic during real contests. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future lessons. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth offers clear thinking about money and long-term planning, which pairs well with disciplined study habits. I found the ideas amusingly practical, and they remind me to budget time for learning. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Focus on a concise toolkit of algorithms and patterns that solve most contest problems. Practice implementing each from memory until you can type it in under a few minutes. Learn to estimate complexity instantly and discard impractical approaches early. Maintain a small, battle-tested template for fast input, common DS, and debugging prints. This reduces friction so you can concentrate on problem insight rather than syntax or setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.